fishes and the river, because the river serves as a main breeding ground of fishes or the natural sanctuary of fishes. Nursery. So the total kind of the fishes from the ocean who came here for labor by jumping on the other branch. And the snake also.
Oh.
Ayan na, kita na nila. Mataas. Nakaunat.
Nakainat.
Hmm? Oh.
That is Bintura.
Bintura?
That is common also in the mangrove area. That's why the common name is mangrove. The people who will cut mangroves because all of the mangrove trees are hardwood. Stronger also. That's why they will cut because they are using for their housing materials, furnitures, decoration, railway, and electricity. The other people, they gather mangrove for firewood. For cooking to their food, they sell it also because they are using for cooking bread to the bakery. And also, they make us a charcoal. First class charcoal from mangrove. Long lasting. For grilled barbecue. For grilled fish. Grilled meat and when they sell it. That's why they make us a small business. So here, the boardwalk that we will use before for bird watching. But now they are under renovation. That's why we need to change the bamboo before we can use again for kingfish. And the other, maybe 3 or until 6 of migratory birds na po meron tayo. And the century-old mangrove tree right there. The big trees is fallen already like that. The other is dead already, standing without leaves and trunk. Who destroyed from the typhoon, the Odette typhoon. December 17, 2021, 3 years ago. But this dead tree here, the tamilok tasting, that is not the worms, but the name is woodworm. That is the longer oyster. That's why the people here, we can eat raw. We just dip in vinegar or in calamansi, lemon. Look, only for documentary. Not allowed to use for commercial or for business. For example, they have the people who came here from back. Yeah, this one is bayawak in local name. Monitor, lizard, thing here are prohibited. That's why we are not allowed to catch also. Only mosquito we are allowed to kill here. The other. So many mosquito here during cloudy and rainy season. But the one living in the fresh water and stagnant water. So the mosquito here, maybe the boy mosquito. I don't see at everything. Maybe I am blind today. Ilang araw ba na wala?